Hi guys, welcome back to Josh's channel. We are not told it is December how we ended up here. But you don't want to know. But what I can say is cheers. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but we are at the Nedbank food festival in Swakop. So I'll be taking you guys along with what is happening. So it's noisy, I'll not be able to talk a lot, but I'll be showing you guys this show. Oh, why did it go? Guys, your fame, I don't know what is happening to her. She wants to be a mysterious girl so bad, but she's failing. She's failing. We are looking for the girls are looking for you now on my channel.
That's right, yeah, that's right.
You got the cheers.
Just
come on, show can drink, huh? But there's no. Where did you buy the cocktail? The one you are drinking? What do you? Oh. I come back right on time. How long is it gonna take?
You're too early.
Yeah?
You're too early.
Okay, how long is it gonna take? I don't. More than an hour.
What about me?
Huh? So you must now greet my YouTubers and say your name.
Oh,
like
I'm going to put your
yes. That's
okay.
Your name?
Oh, Tate Aser.
Tate Aser, yes. Now greet my people.
Tate Aser from the book.
Seafood,
the best seafood in the land.
Okay, how do we contact you? How do we find you? Where are you based?
I'm based in Lutherans.
Okay.
My company is Touch and Taste.
Okay, Touch and Taste. Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
And I sell all kinds of varieties of seafood specialities from Lutherans.
Do you have like a Facebook page where we can find Touch and Taste?
In fact, I'm on Instagram.
Oh, you're on Instagram, yes. So we get other things from Lutherans to be sent to Windhoek.
Touch and Taste on Instagram.
Okay. Thank you so much, Tate Aser. Oh my God. Oh God. Just put me in her YouTube. Oh, mysterious way, bruh. People already know it's you. There we go. They are so messy. Hilia. Sister, konjeri kuja kwa YouTuber. Keumba kwa vakakuna shikuja. Mama, see what you are such a bully. know that's not the soap.
Is it this one? I don't think it is.
Where are the tickets? You guys don't have tickets, the tokens. Nah, and last time I enjoyed them so much.
You guys know that people that bank with other banks are coming back to only provide a Nedbank ATM. What kind of
from the food festival, and right now we are going to the MTC festival, guys. The entrance fee is 295, but I just hope like that's not the actual price, because the turnout yesterday was horrible, that they have to cancel the performance from yesterday to be done today, like from Friday to be done on Saturday. So let's hope at least they make the entrance fee to be a little bit less, so that we can actually attend, because there's absolutely no ways I'm spending 300 for entrance fee alone, no drink whatsoever. I know, shame. Will you pay entrance fee? No, don't worry about me. I can change even behind the car, even in the car, inside the car I can change, because I have a dress on. I just need to lift my dress up, put the kashoti on, and put the top on, and then my shoes. As you have seen, I'm wearing a dress, right? So I need to change this and put in a comfortable outfit with sneakers. I don't know what is happening there, but this eye has been red since today when I woke up. This one is fine. This one is, it's giving like good drugs. But I'm gonna see you at the food festival when I get there. So yeah, you guys playing music, so bye. Guys, sometimes I forget that I have a YouTube channel and I need to be updating people. Hi besties, outfit changed and now we are
all the dancing. one more time. Woo woo. Let's get the party in the go. Down memory lane we go with this one. Ladies, if you are with your lover. Also if it's not your lover, but
somebody's lover.
Just
whose Savannah is that? Hi Bessie, so we are at the MTC event and it's so not full, it's giving that the winners vibe, if you know what I'm talking about. But yeah, that's the event and here is the ocean. Yeah, so right now Adora is performing. I don't know who has performed yet and I don't know who has performed already and who hasn't performed, but I'm just here for the vibes and the content. Oh, let me show you guys. Tropical vibe. It's giving tropical vibe. I think this is a nice place for like a sunset and cocktail vibe. It is beautiful. If you're also having a drink, because why not? Why don't you have a drink? Honestly. But yeah, I am with my friends and we are having fun. Okay, so since the vibe here is good and the lighting is lighting, I want to do like an outro of saying thank you guys for making it until the end of this vlog. Guys, Lilia is so okay. Anyway, okay, so since the light is lighting here, I'm gonna do like an outro. Okay, thank you. Thank you guys for making it until the end of the vlog. Our man, mysterious woman, be mysterious for once. It's the Savannah from cheers. Okay, so since the vibe here is good and the lighting is lighting, I want to do the outro here. Thank you guys for making time to subscribe, like and comment and make it until the end of this video. Guys, my eye is bothering me so much now because it has been the whole day. Like, it's not raining, there's nothing that I'm feeling like twitching or anything, but it's just like red. Like, I don't know what is going on. But yeah, thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to watch all my other vlogs that you haven't watched. Other than that, it's adios from me and Merry Christmas and have a prosperous New Year.
phone, I got options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop it.